was born to be free.
Take it to the chorus. Come here, girl. Go heavy, go. Come to the back. Go heavy, go. VIP. Go heavy, go. Drinks on me. Go heavy, go. What you working with? Go heavy, go. With those hips. Go heavy, go. Make me smile. Go heavy, go. Play it, child. Just sexy out. 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 Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
How y'all feeling today? How we feeling? How we looking? How we doing? Are we bleeding out? Are we long? Are we short? Should I long or should I short? Guys, I need y'all to tell me, how do I sound, man? How's the volume levels? Y'all know how it goes. Huge shout out. Yo, listen, guys, you already know, man. You already know. Listen, you already know. You guys already know. While you guys are going to give me the green lights right now, and by green lights, I mean green pickles, there's two things that I'm going to tell you. Number one, y'all already know we're in an amazing mood, as always. Number two, these are my current positions right now. This one is long. This one is the short. Should I TP on the long? I'm going to listen to what you guys say, man. You guys know I love to short, baby. Y'all know there's no money that feels better than short money. But right now, I mean, yo, should I long? But before we do that, guys, I need to see some green pickle emojis in the chat to make sure that we're good. And while I greet you, my fellow babies, you guys can let me know how do I sound. All right. Philly's in the chat. What's up, brother? Jew. Oh, wait. Hold on. Hold on. I got to get your chat up. Oops. Big oops. I tell you. All right. Let's try this again. Jew. Wait. Where's my chat? Ah, there we go. Jew. What's up, brother? How you doing? Shouts out to Rendell. Good afternoon. I keep almost saying good morning, man. Good afternoon, Rendell. Good afternoon, Rahards. Good afternoon, Dak. What's up, my brother? I wonder when we're gonna see 52K. You know what? Josh Bryan says April 12th at 3:27 a.m. Shouts out to both of you guys. Good afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well, man. No, this is the Trader Jabs channel. Shouts out to Dave Digital. I do just work here, man. I don't know anything. I'm gonna hit you guys with a disclaimer here in a second. Happy late Easter, Gio. God bless. James Driggers Jr. God bless you and your family, bro. Thank you very much for the blessings. Right back at you, my friend. I very much so appreciate it. Y'all like the new intro? Philly like it. Oh boy, did you get wrecked? Menno, shouts out to you, bro. I'm so sorry that you got wrecked, man. I'm sorry to hear that. That sucks. Hopefully, you know, we can make it back, you know? How you gonna say first on my own channel? The same way that when I send text messages, I like my own messages. All right? Who's gonna stop me? Good afternoon, bro. Matt BTC. Let's get some motherfucking money, baby. What's up, chat? What's good? What's good? Gio is a retail trader. I am a retail trader. I like seeing the I like seeing the what's it called? The roast, man. That's like the funniest part about the intro. Billy. Gio only trades Phil. Yeah, that was all Miami, bro. That was all Miami. The new intro. Gio's dog doesn't like him. Ouch, bro. That one actually hurt. That one like dead ass hurt. Today I went to fix a generator. Needed a 12 millimeter wrench. Didn't have one. Long story short, Dave Digital had it. Yeah, man. Dave's got all the wrenches, bro. Gio didn't lose his voice singing along. He lost his voice because he had to ask so many people to get on their shoulders. Gio watches BitBoy. Oh, God. That one hurts, man. Dave with the... he doesn't got the wrench today. This guy's got the daggers out today. Gio always wins at limbo. That's actually not... That's actually true. That's like literally dead ass true. Gio is short, so short, even his lungs are short. Yo, this guy said Gio is so short, even his longs are short. Oh, that must have been the best one, man. That must have been the best one. Gio's salty that George hasn't invited him on stream. Gio's a W, man's. Oof, that one hurt. That one hurt. All right. Guys, I can't go through all of them, man, because we're not here to just roast Gio, okay? This is not the official roast of Gio. But listen, should I TP on this position or what? I think we should TP a little bit. Let's take half out. We'll go back in. Should we TP? Guys, press 1. Not press 1. That's stupid. Type 1 if I should TP. Type 2 if I should not TP. Give me a digueto. This is literally exactly where we are right now is the current position. It's up 202. The top one. I'm talking about the top one. This was the short, okay? This was the short from last night, which we're going to talk about here. This is the current long position, which I'm not super confident in for one reason, which we're going to talk about. Gino doesn't like retail patterns because they remind him of Head and Shoulders. And they remind him that his Head and Shoulders are shorter than everyone. Dude, you guys, man, these are so funny. You know what? The height thing, that's all y'all got on me. All right, you have nothing else on me. That's it. That's it. You got nothing else, man. These are funny AF though. Geo treadmills on a hamster wheel. Okay, guys, the roasts are done. We're done, man. What's up, AstroWorks? It's going very well, bro. How are you? How are you doing? GNVIP identifies market makers. Sorry, we do not make the rules. Ooh, GOP sitting down. Yo, I actually do. Man, I am so active every day. Sometimes I just need to sit the fuck down, okay? All right. Looking sexy at Ultra. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Shouts out to the Geo dudes. Geo's pickle is so small he borrowed half of Dax. All right, man. All right. That's so funny. That is funny. Yo, G Money, what's up, bro? How you doing? Where'd I enter the long? Okay. All right, let's go over the Bitcoin price. Let's go over what's going on right now. Oops, I don't mean to put these dots here. Let's go over this real quick. Let's get the TA shades on, okay? So that we can we can go on here. Geo's biggest holding is 1 inch. That's funny, man. That's funny. You're gonna find stuff on me? Listen, bro, I'm gonna tell you this. Look, I'm an open book, man. I got a lot of shit out there, but I'm an open book. So good luck digging it up. Find it. No problem. I'll embrace it. All right, listen, let's talk about what's going on here. Let's talk about why I entered long, where I entered long from, and how things are currently looking, okay? So yesterday we dumped, okay? We were on stream and we actually ended up dumping a little bit further. I'm going to talk about that in just a second, but I want to talk about the long right now, okay? And I want to talk about why I'm a little bit iffy about the long, okay? So just let's start on Market Cipher, okay? Market Cipher, as we got this move to the downside, okay? As we got this move to the downside, we have continued money flow increasing to the, excuse me, sorry, man, this freaking Dr. Pepper. Anyways, we had continued money flow moving to the downside, okay? Continued money flow, to the upside, okay? So we have 100%, we have money flow divergences here on the 5-minute, on the 10-minute, on the 15-minute time frame. On all these time frames, we absolutely have money flow divergences, okay? We need to understand this. This is very important, okay? Not only that, but as we're having these divergences after this dump that we had, you can see very easily that we have a line of liquidity, okay? You guys know I don't draw trend lines, but we had this line of liquidity here that is easy to take, okay? And if you know anything about ranges, we are simply just in a range, okay? First of all, we tag these naked daily pointer controls, which we're going to talk about later, but for now I'm going to remove them from my chart, okay? I'm going to remove them from the chart just so that we can see things look a little bit clearer. Okay, I'm going to take some profits. I should have took profits a little bit ago. Not now. Okay, I'm going to take profits. I got to de-risk. Okay, so whatever, we have this liquidity and we know that we're simply just in a range, okay? This is literally just a range. Obviously the range has been extended now to the downside quite substantially, but this is essentially our current range. And when you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking to long, which is why I longed. When you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking to short, which is why if and when we get up here, we're going to potentially be looking to short. Now, we're going to talk about the macro stuff. We're going to talk about why we dumped. We're going to talk about all these kind of things right now. But I shouldn't have taken profits, man. Hold on. Hold the motherfucking phone, okay? Guys, it is so hard for me to trade when I'm on YouTube. Like, it is so hard for me to trade when I'm on YouTube. It is quite unfortunate. Quite unfortunate. All right. So, look, we had our dump, whatever. Okay, we had our dump, whatever. We're right now on this long position that I took somewhere down here. We're gonna talk about this in a second here. But when the long position that I took somewhere down here, it was actually on this retest. It was like somewhere like that. The stop went beneath that low. And my target for the long is actually all the way up at this high. Probably even can get away with this high here. But this high. Why am I targeting this high? Why do I think that we can make our way up there? Well, I already told you guys that the money flow is diverging over time. As we came down, and we're going to talk about market structure here in just a second. But as we came down, we had the money flow divergences over time. We had a bunch of red vector candles on the way down as we SFP'd this low. And this is a very important SFP. Okay? This is a very, very, very important SFP level right now, which we're going to go over. But we know that when you're in a range, our job is simply to just trade the range and target the highs of the range. And we already know that this is easy liquidity to grab. And right now, technically, our 15-minute structure has just SFP'd, okay? So I want to start with structure. This is the current position, and I'm currently targeting up to here. Okay, I shouldn't have flopped and groped. Whatever. I re-entered on a separate account, so we're chilling. We're fine. But I'm going to say this, okay? I'm going to say this. This is currently the target. Now, this is the local trade. We'll get back to the local trade in a couple minutes here, okay? I'm going to hide this for now, but we're going to get back here. We're going to talk about why I entered, how I entered. And by the way, big shouts out to the VIP Discord, because right before, I'm not even joking, literally like 2 minutes before I started the YouTube stream, we were in the VIP lounge here. That's why we still got people in here. And we were taking this trade together. Now, I actually was saying, yo, this is a technical long. And I took the long when I said it was a technical long. And I turned on the YouTube, okay? I did it for content. But again, as I mentioned, I'm not super confident with this long as of right now for one reason. And we're going to go over that reason right now. So the title of the video is the dump over? Okay? We got to go through a couple things right now. Number one, we need to understand the easiest way that you could even, like, the easiest part about Market Cipher. When you look at Market Cipher, you need to know that the number one rule, we're going to hide this. The number one rule with Market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, okay? We already know this. Look at how thick the money flow is and was here on the 15-minute time frame over time, okay? And you can't say that we didn't get the divergences, because the entire way down, we were getting divergences, okay? That's number one. But the reason that I'm a little bit sketched about this long position, and that I don't necessarily know if we're going to shoot back up to these higher levels, which we're going to talk about these higher levels here in a minute, is for two reasons, okay? I hid the naked points of controls earlier, and I want to bring them back right now, okay? So we know within the contents of this macro range, we are kind of just dead center still in the middle of the macro range, okay? And we know in general, when you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking to short. When you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking to long, okay? Now, if you guys follow your CME gaps, then this drop should not have been a surprise to you in the slightest, because this was our CME gap. Here, I'll make it a little bit more visible for you guys. Can you guys see that well? Anyways, this was our CME gap, okay? So you could see that over the weekend, we had a pump, and it was weekend volume, and it was holiday volume. We had kind of a pump. It was a slow, gradual pump, nothing really crazy, but nonetheless, we did leave a CME gap. I mean, a couple of gaps. I don't know if this was from the actual weekend, but we had a nice CME gap here at the lows that we had to be paying attention to. So what I did was I just converted where the low is, give or take 64.3, over to my my Bitcoin chart here, and give or take, okay, give or take, the CME gap has been filled now, or almost been filled. So that's fine. We were targeting that. We were expecting that, okay? Now, the only reason why I'm a little bit worried about potentially this move and us getting a continued move to the upside is this naked weekly point of control. Okay, we know that your points of controls, oh baby, we're pumping, let's go. We know that the points of controls, see, it's a good thing I went back in. It's a good thing I got back in. We know that the points of controls, okay, serve as magnets, and especially naked weekly points of controls. If we are going to have a continued move to the upside, let me actually just double check this point of control. Yeah, if we're going to have a continued move to the upside, a continued significant move to the upside, then we would want this naked weekly point of control to be claimed, okay? Just like here on the downside, we had these naked daily points of controls that serve as magnets, okay? That serve us as magnets. We would want this naked weekly point of control to get hit. However, on the more macro grand scheme of things, okay, you need to know a couple things. Yo, Dave, I don't know how to do this Discord thing. You got to teach me how to do that, bro. You got to teach me how to do that, man. You got to teach me how to do that. Gio was lost at Ultra. His mates were getting worried. Then they all looked down. Guys, the roasts are over, okay? The roast Gio in the comments was like half an hour ago. Shouts out to Moon Boot Boy, though. It says the internet is lagging. It only shows 39 likes. Someone tell me it's wrong. Guys, listen, let me just say this. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm sorry, I didn't even introduce myself. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Gio. I'm 5'2" 3/4", and every single day, I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, and I build the narrative for you every single day. We're trading together every single day. That being said, every single day, I do giveaways on my channel, okay? I have 4 boot camps, and I do a giveaway for every 100 likes I get during live stream. I give away a boot camp, okay? Each one of these boot camps are over 3 hours of premium content, which will teach you exactly how to find these key zones that I'm looking for, exactly how to build a narrative as I'm doing for you guys live in real time. So, if you are new here, stick around. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And if you're returning, then you guys already know the value that I provide, baby. Hit the like button for me so we can get some giveaways going during the stream here. All right. Disclaimer. I have to hit you guys with the disclaimer, and then we shall continue. Disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer. True story, guys. True story. And not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam, so don't listen to me because crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible, so definitely don't do what I'm doing because none of this is real. Global warming is real. You know, make sure you don't litter. And the earth is flat. True story. Another true story. The earth is flat, just like your girlfriend. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. All right, listen. Let's get back to the tea now that I've shilled some stuff over here, okay? So this is what's making me a little bit sketchy, right? The fact that we haven't hit this naked weekly point of control and we're so close to it. Now, I'm going to build a bullish case and I'm going to build a bearish case, okay? There are 2 things that could happen here, but we're going to zoom out a little bit. We're going to come to a different Bitcoin chart that's a little bit cleaner, okay? It's the same rules apply, the same thing applies, but we have to go over structure, okay? We know that structure is king. Structure is king. And right now, whether you like what I'm about to tell you or not, 4-hour structure flipped bearishly, okay? This was the point when I was going to Miami last week and we flipped bullish on the 4-hour time frame. This is exactly where we were. When I was in the airport, I made a video saying I'm going to open up swing longs down here and I'm going to be targeting new all-time highs. I was targeting up here, okay? Now, I ended up closing my longs early because of this not massive, but because of this range that happened up here prior to us hitting the all-time high, okay? So I ended up closing it. Since then, unfortunately, on the 4-hour time frame, we actually have switched market structure bearishly, okay? We have officially made lower highs and lower lows on the 4-hour time frame, okay? And it was at this point where actually I closed some of my longs somewhere in this range because I was aware that the 4-hour flipped bearishly, okay? And saying, all right, we could get a pretty decent correction here. We're going to see what's going to happen. So now what are we seeing on market Cipher? Well, we know that they're going to money the more chance of divergences. We know that the second #1 rule is whenever you have a green dot, which we do, which we're about to, you got to look left and say that these vector candles can get recovered. Guys, if you're new here, vector candles are essentially market maker candles, okay? They are liquidity, right? Market makers are limit longing the entire way down while you, retail, are market shorting the whole way down because of FOMO and whatever. The only difference is that you are greedy and don't take profits at the lows. Market makers live in an objective world and they will absolutely run the price back up, okay? You can see we are simply just still in our range. When you're at the lows of the range, you should be looking long. And when you're at the highs of the range, you should be looking to short, okay? Right now, we are below the 50% line of our macro range here. Technically, you should be looking long, okay? Technically, which is why we are long. Now, why am I saying we're going to long? And if the 4-hour structure flipped bearish, why am I going to give this bullish case here? I'm going to say this, okay? When it comes to structure, when it comes to certain things, some things are not as clear, okay, in nature. We had kind of a range here, right? We had kind of a shitty range, like a shitty looking range. I mean, it was actually a good range. It wasn't a shitty looking range at all, but we had a nice range here for a while. The contents within the break of structure of the 4-hour time frame happened within the range. Now, you could argue whether or not this is a clean enough 4-hour shift for you, okay? When we were up here and when I saw this, I was letting you guys know on YouTube that, I mean, the 4-hour broke bearish, but it doesn't really look that great and like, you know, XYZ, right? Fine. Let's just assume that we're not going to count this as a 4-hour break, okay? We could, right? It's very 50-50 right now, and sometimes ranges and what the market gives you is subjective in nature, right? So what you could do is say, all right, I don't really like the way that that looks. I'm going to take this, all this as just a range. So we're not going to count this as a bearish flip of structure. We are going to count it as on the 4-hour time frame, right? We flipped bullishly here. We have high, we have low, we have high, we have higher low to then expect a higher high, okay? This is a possibility. This is what I prefer actually happens, and I'll tell you why I prefer it happens. On the daily time frame, we are very much so overextended. We already know this. This is not news to anybody, okay? However, we know that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. That's the number one rule when it comes to market, Cipher. And it's the number one rule. And by the way, I invented it, just saying. Okay? So the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. We know that there's no such thing as 2 red dots in a row, meaning the next dot you get on the daily time frame is going to be a green dot. We know that when you have that green dot, you got to look to the left and say that these vector candles can get recovered, okay? Which they very well can. But mainly, the thicker the money flow, the more chance of divergences. I don't know about you guys, but locally, I don't see any divergences here yet. So right now, we are to assume that this high is going to get taken. So the 4-hour structure, flipping bearish right now, we're very 50-50 on it, right? So now we can lean a little bit more towards the fact that it actually flipped bullish, not bearish, or remains bullish, because we know that on the daily time frame, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences, right? So we can still expect this to get intact. In addition to that, it is not very common for the market to do what it did here, okay? I mean, we ranged, we pumped a little bit, we took the high, like we had that week where we took the high 10 times in a row, and then we kind of just like dumped and then kind of just ranged so close to the high without sweeping either this liquidity, which was my primary target for the longs last week, right? Without sweeping this, like it's just kind of odd looking, okay? It's kind of odd looking. You can't say that you were super surprised by the dump because we were absolutely in a supply zone, absolutely. And we have quite a bit of resistance above us, okay? We have a supply zone here, which has now been mitigated. We have an unmitigated supply zone here. So if I pull up my short positions or what I'm potentially looking for here, right? Let's see. Let's come to my real chart here. And let's go over these are, by the way, my more macro VIP levels. And we've talked about this on the channel, okay? So we had a supply zone here that has been respected and now we don't care about it. We have an unmitigated supply zone in between. Oh, there shouldn't be 2 of these. We only need 1 of these. There is an unmitigated supply zone above this wick, okay? Above this SFP level, right above it, while we also have a naked daily point of control up here, unmitigated, that we could absolutely reject from. Now, I want to make something aware to you before we continue here, okay? Because there are 2 giga shorts that I'm looking at, and this is the bullish case, remember. There are 2 giga longs that are giga shorts rather that I'm looking at. Number 1 is the one that's in that supply zone. I want to see a 10 to 15 minute market structure change because I'm aware that the all-time high is very close to it, okay? It is, I would say, unlikely for us to reject from here, though it is possible. And then the other obvious short is the all-time high. If you guys are not looking to take profit at the all-time high, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Now, I want you to be aware of what has happened the last few times Bitcoin had any real pump up in this area, okay? I'm going to bring your attention. I want to remind you because this is important. Every time we come up to, give or take, the 70s, where we are now, give or take, understand what I'm saying, we have pretty harsh rejections to the downside, okay? Like, from this wick here, we had 5% move. From this guy, we had a 10% move. From this guy, we had a 6% move. From this guy, 4%. 6%, 2%, 6%. Actually, this one brought us way down, right? Way down. The actual all-time high brought us down 17%, right? But more importantly than that, even more locally, once we passed these sort of like all this like midterm stuff, right? All this like midterm rejection, like not the rejections from the actual highs like that we've been leaving behind, but like the midterm, like basically from the range. Look at what happened here. Okay, look at what happened here. The same thing happened in this little mini range, right? We came up somewhat, 2% down. We came up a little bit more, 2% down. We came up a little bit more, 5% down. We came up here, 3% down. Here, 3% down. And now from this high recently, we're down almost 10%. Okay? We're down almost 10%. So the trend here, okay, is that someone is selling, okay? Every time we come up to like 70, 71, we'll say 72 almost, or 72, someone is selling pretty heavily, okay? And I want to bring your attention once again to this order block over here. I'll make a different color so that you guys can see it nicely. This is an order block, okay? What do we have at this order block? Well, we know that we have this wick, and the last time we almost came up to this order block, we didn't tag it. So this order block is not mitigated, okay? It's not mitigated. And this move gave us a 9%, almost 10% move to the downside. This was inducement. If you don't know what inducement is, it is essentially where smart money are protecting their positions. They don't even allow price to come into your order block or into the, they don't even allow that order block to get mitigated. They are defending their positions. And you can see that the same people that were defending their positions over here, defended it here, 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 and here. What usually happens when levels like this get front run is we actually end up making a run for them, and then we reject pretty swiftly from it, okay? The reason that I have two short positions, and this is not an exact stop loss, so nobody pause the screen and put this on your, and, you know, set limit orders. No, we're not doing that right now, but we need to understand, remember, there are stories that are told within the wicks, okay? We're going to come on the 4-hour time frame now because it's easier for me to explain. There are stories, and the market makers cannot hide their intentions, okay? They cannot hide their intentions. So when we understand that there's inducement here and that these people are doing a very good job of defending their positions, we have to be aware that it is very possible and very likely that we are going to get a rejection if and when we make our way back up here again. Okay, remember, this is the bullish case. This is the case that if the 4-hour structure remains bullish, okay? If the 4-hour structure remains intact, because we're not going to count this range stuff, which it's arguable, then, you know, you could get a new high here, you could get a new high from the all-time high. But we need to be aware, nonetheless, we need to be aware that these guys are selling, okay? This is a point of interest for them, and they are very much so defending their positions right now. So we need to know that, okay? I honestly thought this range was going to at least touch this SFP level. Okay, this green line, I thought the range was going to hit it. It didn't hit it, unfortunately. I thought we were going to get one more tag. That's why I didn't end up taking all the profits that I had. But nonetheless, this is a very important level. Okay? So now we got to see what's going to happen. We're going to play it by ear. We're going to watch the structure on the way up. We're going to watch the structure on the way down. And we know that these are our points of interest, and we're going to be paying attention to them. We know that it is very likely that we're going to get a reaction, at least a scalp, off of one of these two levels. And we know that we need to be watching structure while we're in these levels, or you could enter a little bit more aggressively using market Cipher. Okay? How is that for the bullish case? Does everyone like what they heard? Can I display my positions on screen? I mean, I can, but like, I can, but I don't have all the screen real estate in the world here. It's easier for me to just do this. This is one of them. And then this is the new one that I opened on stream where I said I went back in. But this position should have just been like here. So that's all the positions that I'm in right now. Am I still in my 73K short? No, I'm not. I'm a scalper, guys. Like, I'm in and out. I'm not like, you know. All right, Yas says, hi, Gio. It's been a while since I joined your live stream. So refreshing to see and hear you live. Welcome back, my friend. I'm glad that you made your way back here. It's been very refreshing to have you back, man. I'm glad that you're here. Shout out to Rome, says you've been buying back at 52.5. Yeah, I mean 52.5. If we start to lose 59K, if we start to lose this wick, there's no way we're not coming to this wick And if we start to lose 59K, man, it is not a good sign. I think 53K is very easy. We also have a bunch of naked daily point of controls, naked weekly point of controls down here as well. So very, very likely that we are going to make our way down there. Should we start closing significant candles, let's say 4-hour candles below those lows, okay, below those lows. So that's the bullish case. The bearish case is we did flip 4-hour structure, okay, and if we are lucky enough to be given a decent retracement, we could be looking for shorts on a lower high. Now this option would be a lot better if this low, if we start to close 4-hour candles below this low or below this low here at 60K. I don't know if we're gonna make it down that low, because remember, we did flip structure locally here, okay? But in the event that we were to continue down lower and get significant closes on the 4-hour time frame below, let's just say at least this low, because then your 4-hour structure would not be back and forth, okay? It wouldn't be 50-50. Your structure would be bearish if we closed below 62.2 on the 4-hour time frame, right? Then perhaps, you know, expectational order flow would be close, lower high, and then down to lower low. And where would I be targeting in this event? Absolutely, without a doubt, this would be a swing short, and we would be targeting down to this basically entire zone, 52, 53K. Okay, now it's a little bit too early to be talking about that. I want to talk about what's happening locally, okay? Because I mentioned that I entered long, and why did I enter long? And why am I long right now? You guys saw the positions. I just put them on the screen, okay? Objectively, we already dumped, okay? We started to like kind of range, but not really. It's kind of a shitty looking range, right? But we are overextended on like these lower term time frames. We know that, okay? We know that these highs are not really looking too great, okay? We don't have strong highs here. You know, this high did not take out, or sorry, this high did not take out this high, and this high did not take out this high. So this is very easy liquidity that we can come up and make a run for. We can absolutely squeeze the shorts and make a run for this liquidity. Now, are we going to get some turbulence around this area? Probably, okay? We might. And remember, this could be the area where we make a lower high to then continue the move to the downside. Remember, the 4-hour structure right now is 50-50, okay? So we're going to be watching for both scenarios, but we need to be aware that vector candles can get recovered. We already know that. We are overextended. If you are trading the components or the contents within this smaller range here, okay? If you're trading this guy, oh, whoops. If you're trading this here, then you could say we're at the lows of the range. We swept the lows many times. We know we have this liquidity easily that we can make a run for. And we know that whenever you have a green dot, you got to look to the left and say that we can come up and recover these vector candles. So right now, I mean, look, you can look to short here. We can look to short here as well. This is a nice area to short potentially, but only if we see the confirmations that we want to see on either market structure or market cipher. Okay, for now, I am 90% out of the short. If I see something to short again, then I will. But for now, I'm 90% out of the short. What do I think might happen here over the next coming days? I do think it's possible that we just continue to range. You know, we don't need to pump today, but I think it's possible to continue to range. I do think at some point this is going to get taken. I do think this high is going to get taken. If we get an SFP of this high or this high, why not take advantage of another short position, especially if we get an SFP? Why not take advantage of another short position to potentially come down, fill the rest of the gap, and more importantly, tag the naked weekly point of control that we're talking about here at 63,800, okay? We don't have to come and take it right away. We don't have to come and take it right now, but we have to understand that we can still do that, okay? And remember, we know the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And yes, you know, we've had divergences this entire way down, but we also have very thick money flow. So what happens on Market Cipher B if something like this happens now? What if we get something like this? We come up, we take these, we come up, we make a higher low, we come up, range a little bit, one more drop, tag this guy, and then come up, and then this is your real low. Okay, you could argue if you're following your Wyckoff schematics, this is your tap 1, this could be your tap 2. Perhaps we come up, break this, Perhaps we don't. Perhaps we SFP it. It's nothing clear of conviction. Maybe we SFP the high like I'm saying. Then we come back for one last tap. Here's your 3 tap. But it would probably take a little bit more time than that. You'd probably get 2 waves. Probably look like this. We'll probably get a big wave like this to the high. Come down a little bit. Do something like this. And then like that. It's probably going to look exactly like this. Somebody screenshot this. I'm going to screenshot this. I'm going to screenshot this. And I'm going to call myself Picasso if and when it happens. Okay? But that doesn't mean that we can't... Actually, I have a psychic folder here. Psychic. It's going to go in my psychic folder. We can't say that you can't just trade. Look, why not scalp the contents within the range? Okay, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. Do I think that's gonna happen 100%? Absolutely not. Nothing is 100%, but it is our job as traders to understand that things can happen, and we got to be paying attention to structure. And we came into an order block. This is not a zone out of nowhere. Okay, we have a nice 4-hour order block. Was it a 4-hour? 8-hour? We had a nice, 6-hour order block. We have a nice reason to bounce from here. And if you know anything about order blocks, you know that when you're within your order blocks and then you see significant time frame market structure changes, that should be your protected low. So on the 15-minute time frame, we had, we came down, lower high, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, flipped bullishly, and then SFP'd that low, meaning this is your target. Okay, if we come up to here, why wouldn't we come up to this high? Especially if we start closing 15-minute candles. And that is the gambit. Macro bottom coming around summer or slightly after. I agree, man. I think that I'm hoping for one more all-time high to fake everybody out. And then I think it's going to be down and sideways until September. I think the summer is going to be absolute blood. I think April is going to be kind of sideways / up a little bit. And then I think sell-in may walk away. I think maybe like the end of this month. I think the halving is not going to be bullish. Like in the immediate short term. Not at all. All right. Shout out to Yas. Says, of course, I'll be back, my friend. You gave me one of your courses in a whim. And I took the kindness to heart. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I'm glad that my intentions are resonating well with you guys through a screen. Please, could I go over a swing failure pattern? So buy for now. I can't tell you to buy or not, bro. I can only tell you what I'm doing. Okay, an SFP is very simple. Okay, SFP stands for swing failure pattern, and essentially all your swing failure pattern is, it's a liquidity grab. Okay, when you are following your basic structure, right, in an uptrend, your structure looks like this. Your low, the higher low's job is to take out the previous high. If it is unable to take out the previous high with a close, then it is considered a swing failure pattern. So in this case, I'll give you a perfect example. Here we flipped bullishly, but it doesn't matter, right? Your 15-minute structure was down, up, down, okay, up. So you were expectational order flow. We were supposed to have a higher low here and then make a higher high. That was supposed to happen, but we didn't. We took the low again, ever so slightly, but nonetheless, we took the low again. So because we took the low and we were unable to close below, anybody that longed in this area, not anybody, but you guys know what I'm saying. A lot of the people that longed within like this, like were longing late to the party, okay? A lot of people that were longing late to the party were actually putting their stop losses beneath this low because they thought the low was in. So what do? They sweep the low, they grab all those stop losses, and then continue the move in their actually like properly designated or wanted direction. Okay, and the reason it's considered a swing failure pattern is because this high touched the low. The job of the high was to close below the low, but we did not close below that low. And because we didn't close it, it's considered an SFP, which means this high, which is the high that made that low, is now becomes the target. Okay, because we were unable to close. So this is a protected level. This now becomes your weak high, and so this is your target. And then the logic is if we close 15-minute candles above this line, which is at 623, then why wouldn't we come up and grab all of this easy to grab liquidity? You know, your next target for sure would be this high, and then it would probably be this high as well. And also, if you are trying to identify your range, or you are identifying your range, you know that whenever you're within a range, you just rotate from the low to the high. So we're essentially front running the idea that this is a macro range here. Okay, we're front right here. I'll do it with the box so you guys can see it well. We're basically front running the idea that this is our range, and saying, all right, well, when you're in a range, you rotate to the highs, and then when you're at the highs, you rotate to the lows. So this is your target one, this is your technical TP one, and then we should be targeting up here. What happens up here, I don't know, right? It depends on what happens with your candles. Do we SFP? If we come up and we SFP this high on the 15-minute, then this becomes the target, right? So then maybe at that point, my Picasso idea, my am I psychic drawing that I gave earlier in the stream, perhaps that will come into fruition, and we do come down one more time to grab this naked weekly point of control. So even though I'm long, I am very well aware that we can absolutely come and make a run for this 63.8. We are not out of the woods yet. Yo, how did I get the naked weekly point of control? Like, how did I figure that out? Still learning. Shout out to you, Gabe. But yeah, I'll go over that. But before I go over that for you, bro, I haven't even checked the numbers, but let me just check the numbers. All right. We have 254 people in here. We only have 83 likes. Guys, at every 100 likes during the stream, I do a giveaway. But not only that, man, I'm out here every single day giving you guys the sauce and teaching you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So, hey, it's a free way for you to support me, and you can potentially get some giveaways as well. So either, I don't know, either 200 of you or 170 of you don't have hands, don't have eyes, don't have ears, don't like my face, or whatever it may be. But y'all are hurting my feelings. Make sure you guys hit the like button for me so that I can continue doing this for you. Shout out to Dr. J, Fire Content Geo, waiting for that lower high. Yeah, we'll see what happens. And guys, there's no need to FOMO. If you know how to do structure and order blocks properly, like if you know how to actually properly utilize these tools, you can find an entry anywhere. And my boot camps that you can win for free by hitting the like button will exactly teach you and will exactly illustrate how to get that for you. Okay, let's talk about the naked weekly point of control. Bro, it's actually very easy. It's very easy to do. There is a premium indicator. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. Let's do it on my clean chart. But there is a premium indicator called SVP and PVP. Okay, it does not stand for player versus player. Just saying. Okay, this indicator will essentially show you your fixed ranged volume profile on whatever, for PVP, it'll show you on whatever time frame that you're on if you have your settings correctly. Anyways, doesn't matter. If you pull a fixed range volume profile on every single daily candle, okay, this is what it will look like on each individual daily candle. This is how we find our naked points of controls. The levels that have been untapped, the points of controls that have been untapped by price. So this setting, I have it to extend to the right. So you can see here, for example, we had a daily close. We left a naked, like if I go back in time, okay, you can see that this is going to extend all the way to the right. Una mattina. Okay. Now it's not working. All right, whatever. You understand the idea. Before today's daily candle, we had a naked daily point of control here. Okay, because it was a point of control from that day, and we never, like, price never came back to tag it. In other words, it's an imbalance. Why does price move ever? For liquidity? Man, price moves for 3 reasons, guys. To either attack liquidity, to either generate liquidity, which is why we range, right? It's not so the RSIs have a chance to reset. We either generate liquidity, we either attack liquidity, or we go to rebalance imbalances. And this is an imbalance. When you have a naked point of control, that's an imbalance. And so this same process where you're looking for these naked points of controls, we know that they serve as magnets, but we can also do it on the weekly time frame. So we can look for naked weekly points of controls, right? We have a naked weekly point of control down here at 63.7. We have a naked weekly point of control up here at 72. And we know that they serve as magnets. So we need to be aware of those levels. You can do that on the daily, you can do it on the weekly, you can do it on the monthly. Those are the time frames that I do them on personally. Look at this. We have a naked monthly point of control down at 52K. So while I'm building my narrative and deciding whether or not I think price is going to go in a certain direction, okay, if 4-hour structure, as we went over in the beginning of the stream, if 4-hour structure with conviction breaks bearishly, and I see 4-hour candles, daily candles even, close below this low, then why would they not come and attack? First of all, we have a nice range-based demand here. Okay, so for the people that are not like smart money traders, we have a good support here. Why would they not come and attack this naked monthly point of control, confluence with this naked weekly point of control, confluence with this naked daily point of control, right? We have all these points of controls that we left below us. They could make a run for them. I'm not saying they're going to, but they absolutely could. And like I said, nothing goes up forever. And I do think that the summer is going to be a bleeding summer like it always is. Okay? So can we see a 25,000? Can we see a $30,000 Bitcoin again? I don't see why not. I don't see why not. So we'll see what happens, right? It's our job every day to build our narrative and decide which way to trade in, right? Which direction that we're going to trade in. And that's, like I said, man, that is the gambit, guys. Shout out to Dice, says, get in the VIP. You get the sauce all day long. Yo, guys, let me just say this, man. I'm going to shill myself a little bit, but I do think it's worth it. I am biased because I am me, obviously, but I'm going to tell you exactly how it is, man. In my VIP section in my Discord, which you can join by clicking the link in the description, thewap.com. By the way, we're moving from WAP. We're going to the website this week. But anyways, in the VIP Discord, man, I give you guys the exact levels I'm looking for, the exact trade setups I'm looking for. I give you guys setups or updates while I'm at the gym off my phone, while I'm in front of the computer, while I'm on the toilet, whatever it may be. Okay, in my scalps channel, I give you guys every single thing that I'm looking for. When it's time to trade, if I'm around, I will go live like I was right before we started the stream here in the YouTube when we took that long. Well, I mean, I wanted a little bit lower, but I still ended up taking the long, right? So you guys get a lot of sauce, but most importantly, in my opinion anyways, most importantly, I remember I'm biased, but most importantly, more than the levels, more than the education that you get, like I'm out here teaching all the time, right? We do Q&A live streams. Most importantly, in my opinion, is you get access to the network that I have built. Now, I'm going to say this. It is not my network. It is because my name is on it and I'm the one that built it. Fine. But I am just as part of the network as each and every one of you. There is no network without you guys. But I will tell you this. Because I'm out here, because I'm forward facing, because I'm not like, my name is not bitcoin.geo and I'm not a cartoon hiding behind a profile picture or whatever. I'm here very personable. I actually care about people and you get that here, okay? You get that when you're here. If you don't know, we have a VIP testimonial section so you guys can come and check this out. Like I said, I'm biased, okay? I am biased. So you guys go in and check out this channel for yourself. Read what the people have to say. I'm going to tell you it's good, sure. But read it. It's all there. Like the good and the bad. But you get access to a network of traders that actually care about each other. And I mean, I say this all the time. If you're an asshole, you're out. Like, I don't need your $30 a month. I don't. Like, if you're an asshole, peace out. You know? So you get access to the network. And it's different. It's not like what you see in crypto, man. And I built this whole channel almost a year ago. By the way, the channel's almost one. We're almost one, guys. The end of the month, I'm gonna be one. But we built the channel around the basis of being like a good person. You know, when I go in the ground, I want to go to a good place. And so, I mean, that's why I do this every day. You know, we do VIP live. Anyways, that's enough shilling about the VIP, the Discord, but essentially that's how it is. Shout out to Benjamin, says at this point I'm blown away by returning viewers who log in and don't press like right away. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Guys, I only want you to hit the like button, by the way, if you actually like what you see, okay? If I provided you value, then I want you to hit the like button. If not, like, I got it. I'm fair to you guys, and I want you guys to be fair to me. If you don't like what you see, then don't hit the like button. But if you like it and you think that I might teach you a couple things, you know, you like my energy, you like my pace, you like my TA, whatever, then like give it to me only if I deserve it. If I don't, then don't give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Do I live stream every day? Shouts out to Leslie F. I don't live stream every single day, but I will tell you this. I live stream whenever important things are happening. Like if we're ranging and I have a trade setup and we don't hit that trade setup for like 3 days, then there's no point in me live streaming. But we do VIP streams, we do Bitcoin and ETH streams, we do Q&A streams. I would say I'm actually not restructuring, but properly structuring the VIP, where we're gonna do at least 3 scheduled official streams a week. Okay, those official streams are gonna be a Bitcoin Ethereum stream, an altcoin stream, and a Q&A stream. At least 3 a week, like 1 of each a week, at least. And then I do unofficial, like, where I still schedule it, but it's not like, okay, on Tuesday at this time is gonna be when it is. Like, it's not gonna be like that. Depends on what the market's doing. But when the market's moving, when there are reasons to update you guys, I'm in there with you. Okay, I get my hands dirty in the trenches. I'm in the trenches with you guys. Shouts out to Dice. NP bro, you generally learn so much listening to the guys in there. Yeah, man, like that's my whole goal is to build you guys up as traders, and then we help each other, you know? Like everyone is like, I want to have a channel that has like an advanced TA role where I can trust these other traders, and you guys, like, the whole idea is we help each other, you know? We're in this together. I don't know why crypto's weird, man. Crypto has like this weird, like, we're against each other, laugh at the people, be condescending. Like the #1 rule that I don't fuck with is people being condescending, because I know what it's like to lose. You guys, I'm sure, know what it's like to lose as well. Nobody is ever right. Losing is already shitty. Why would you need someone else to like attack you on top of that? Like, if you're winning, why can't you just be happy that you're winning? Why do you have to put someone else down? Like, that's the #1 thing I don't fuck with. And so that goes back to the thing I said, which is like, you get access to my network, which I believe I changed. Like, I'm changing the way crypto works here. I'm doing something different. And yeah, man, like, I don't need your if you're gonna be an asshole, if you're gonna be condescending, peace out. Don't need you here. Shout out to the bird next door. Will the VIP that were grandfathered over from the original plan? Yes. Yeah, so all my VIP ones, you guys know who you are. You will, I will be reaching out to you directly, okay? And it's all gonna happen over the next month. My goal is that within 1 month, everybody is off of WAP, and you know, we're all on the website. Regular VIP streams, BTC updates, altcoin updates. And by the way, guys, I'm giving you guys updates at 4 a.m. Like, I don't sleep, okay? I don't sleep. Yo, bro, this is your first time here. Shout out to Trader Geo. Hey, listen, guys, everybody that's here, actually, let's do this. Let's show that, because I'm here, and I want you guys to understand what I'm saying here. Guys, make me look good here, man. Look, we're a different community. Look, Dice already did it, said welcome. We got, sorry, I don't know how to say your name, bro. YHYM, Yim Yim. We got Yim Yim here, that's new, and we got Dario Capda here, saying why your candles different colors, which I'm gonna explain. But I need you guys to do me a solid right now. I'm gonna turn up the music a little bit. I need y'all to do me a solid. I'm out here telling you guys that this community is different. Not community, this network is different. Guys, can we all welcome our newcomers and anybody else that's new here? If you're here for the very first time, drop me a random emoji in the chat so I know. And to the OGs, man, please welcome our new members here that are new to the channel. Welcome everybody that is here. My name is Gio. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And yeah, I mean, that's it. I'm out here doing this every single day for you guys, and I'm trying to do something different than what you normally see in this disgusting snakery of an industry. Okay, while you guys are welcoming the people, I'm gonna answer some questions here. So, okay, first of all, why are my candles different colors? These are called vector candles, okay? Vector candles are a representation of volume, but it's not traditional volume that you know, okay? This is your traditional volume that you're probably aware of, right? These guys down here. It's not traditional volume. It is something called tick volume. Tick volume are the number of transactions that reside within that candle, okay? So we're on the 10-minute time frame right now. This is a green vector candle. This is a red vector. Here, this is how my candles normally look, okay? They're just black and gray, or white and gray, right? But when you add the colors to it, there are 4 colors. There's blue, there's pink, there's red, and there's green, okay? And they each indicate tick volume. The reason tick volume is important is because, like I said, it illustrates the number of transactions that occurred within the candle. So if your normal candle has 1 million volume, how many transactions made up that million volume, right? If there's 10 transactions of 100,000 each, then there's 10 tick volume within this candle. The reason that's important is because this shows us when market makers are actually present in the charts, okay? Remember, they cannot hide their intention, okay? Market makers cannot hide their intention. It shows us when they are cooking, basically, okay? And the reason it shows us that are because these vector candles will appear on the chart if and when your tick volume is either 150% greater than your average tick volume of the last 10 candles or 200% or greater. So the pink and the blue are if your tick volume is 150% or greater. Let's say your average transactions over the last 10 candles are 100%, like right here, right? There's no vector candles. This pink vector candle is 150% more tick volume than the average of the last 10. And then we have red candles. The reason they're important is because it shows us what market makers are doing. Market makers are the only ones that can open and close that many positions that quickly. In other words, that can change hands that fast. So it essentially represents liquidity. And usually what happens is when you see a red vector candle, as we do here, that is market makers limit longing while retail is market shorting down to these lows. So when we get an SFP and we see follow through with the vector candles, we can say that market makers trapped a lot of traders under this low here, right? So there are trapped traders there. That's essentially what it is. I have videos on my YouTube. Okay, wait, now you guys want me to lower the music? Okay, are we good now? Join VIP looks great. Shouts out to Robert Jones. Welcome to the best trading network. Man, it's the best network. Yeah, man, 100%. Thank you guys for welcoming the new people. Thank you guys for welcoming the new people. Welcome to the dark side. Welcome, new folk. I love that, man. I love that. How much does it cost to get to the VIP? It's $30. I know, guys. I'm sorry. Is it still too loud? Is the volume still too loud or is it good? Somebody told me to turn it up, man. Is it good now? Now it's too low. Oh my days. Even though we're going. All right, we're keeping it at this volume. I don't care. We're keeping it here. Anyways, guys, so I mean, that's kind of the way that it works, man. It's kind of the way that it works. So we're going to see what's going to go on here. You know, we are long. We're long and strong. We'll see what happens. This is the target. Let's see if we close 15-minute candles here. I am long right now. Yeah. I'm long right now, but I closed most of the shorts. No, it's too quiet now. Oh my. Y'all are, yo. Dario says, yo, thanks a lot. Have a look at my videos. Yeah, man, no worries. De nada. Drum and bass? Bro, I have to go with, I gotta go with, like, with copyright-free stuff. Like, this is all copyright-free. But we turn it up, too. Don't think we don't turn it up. If you're returning, you know that we turn it up here. We absolutely turn it up. Man, y'all saw my intro. You guys want me to hit you with the intro? Here, look. Like, we turn it up. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, we turn it up, baby. We turn it up, baby. We turn it up, baby. The music's loud now? Guys, I just work here, okay? I don't know, man. I literally just work here. I want to love you. Pretty young thing. Let's go, Robert. Yo, I gotta make a mix for you for my live streams. Bro, do it, but it has to be copyright free. New song, please. Something pumpy, please. You're at the gym? All right, I got you. Hold on. Let's turn it up. I'm going to turn it up for you, bro. 1 second. And do you want me? And do you want me? Hold on. That's not it. That's not what it is. I got you, bro. You want Psycho Killer? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Hold on. Where's that one? I want that one. Where's that one? Annie, are you okay? I know you guys can't see anything. All right, let's try this one. Is this the one? Yeah. All right, let's turn it up for a sec. Let's party right now real quick. Go.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause it's your birthday. Find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, 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 find me in the club. Go, shorty.
Go, Sean. It's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. Yo, actually, true story. This weekend, yo, wedding season is back, baby. I'm emceeing on Saturday. I can't wait. Just saying. Shouts out to Flopping Groper. Everybody go subscribe. Go subscribe to Flopping Groper. If you don't know who that is Crypto Face's brother. He does market cipher content as well. And yes, I did do a disclaimer, but I'm going to do it again real quick. Guys, if you're just getting here right now, disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Gio is an incompetent 5'2 3/4" wannabe singer and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. And the earth is flat. And if you are here from Jason Casper's community, just understand that I pay Jason royalties to use this treadmill. Your birthday. You wanna party like it's your birthday. You know it's a Bacardi like it's your birthday. Go shorty. Was that good for you, Ty? Did I get you on that one, bro? Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Flopping Groper is sick. Yeah, bro. He's a G. Pop it like it's hot. All right, guys. We got 158 likes, so we're doing at least one giveaway. I gotta go pee. I'll be right back in 1 second. I'm gonna go use the toilet. So give me 1 sec. Homeboys, home skillets. Give me a second here. BRB. Yeah, we could do ETH. I'll do ETH when I get back. 1 second.
creeps. See these ice creams, no jewel catch you. $1 million bowl, that's whiter than what's spilling down your throat. The phantom, exterior like fish eggs, the interior like suicide was red. I can exercise you, this could be your phys ed. Cheat on your man, man, that's how you get a his head. Killer with the B, I know killers in the street, but still to make you feel like you chillin' in the heat. So don't try to run up on my head talking all that raspy shit. Tryna ask me shit, when my niggas figure this thing gon' pass me shit. You should think
Oh,
about
dude,
it.
I literally
Take a
was
second.
sitting down. I'm not even joking. I literally was sitting down. Bro, I'm like out here walking all day. You know what? Okay. All right. All right, let's talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum blew way past this guy. Way past. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. True story. True story, Reaper. Reaper knows. The OG knows. Reaper knows. Man, the thing about Ethereum is very simple. If you're gonna long Bitcoin, then long Ethereum. It's very easy. Ethereum's got all this that we can come and recover easily liquidity, right? We're probably gonna range, man. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna range somewhere here. Maybe we'll take out this wick. I don't really know. I don't see a reason to take out this wick right now, but maybe we take out that wick. We already swept these lows, so we don't need to come lower. I would imagine that we're gonna range here, get a nice W, and then up we go. Long story short, I'm too lazy to do full TA. Follow Bitcoin. Where can you get the market structure boot camps? All the boot camps are in the guys, the link is in the description below. Hi baby to you. The link is in the description down below. We are moving out of the we're getting the hell off of WAP soon. Okay, but in the description there's a link that says wap.com. You can get the VIP Discord here, you can get the market structure boot camps and all the other boot camps here. But I'm telling you guys, full disclosure, like within a month, I'm actually taking down the VIP Discord off of WAP like this week because we're getting the hell off of WAP. WAP is a scam. WAP is a scam. But yeah, the link's in the description down below. All right, guys, listen. We've been talking. It's been an hour. I'm going to make a video. But before I make a video for you guys, we got to do a giveaway because I'm a man of my word. We're at 163 likes. So I got to do one giveaway. And we're going to make a deal right now, okay? We're going to make a deal. We're going to be fair. I'm going to do the giveaway right now. If we can get to 200 likes by the time we're actually doing the giveaway, then I will give away 2 boot camps. So, we are 37 likes away. What time is it right now? The clock currently says 1:43. So, here's what we're going to do. We're all going to go to my YouTube, and by we're all, I mean, I'm going to send you guys a link. We're going to go to my link. And we're all gonna comment on my last YouTube video, okay? We're all gonna comment here. So I'm gonna post the link. We're all gonna go here. We're all gonna go here, okay? Everybody go to that video. Make sure the like button on that video and drop a comment on that video. I don't care what the comment says, okay? You could say, yeah, boy. You could say, sounds racist. You could be like this guy that thinks I'm copying Jason Casper. You can say, how will you get the courses if you bought it when WAP goes away? You will still have the courses on WAP. WAP is still going to be a thing, but you're not going to be able to buy on WAP, and everything else is going to move to the website. But you're still going to have the courses on WAP. You're still going to be able to watch it. You could write market structure bootcamp, the real stuff, whatever you want, man. Whatever you guys want. Yeah, man, 7.6K. I'm trying, bro. I want 10K by May. So I got 1 month to get 2.5K. But anyways, everybody go to that video. Drop a comment. I don't care what the comment says, but the comment has to have... Which emoji should we put? Let's do the weightlifting guy emoji. Let's do this emoji. Or you could do weightlifting girl emoji. I don't care. So it doesn't matter what the comment you say is, okay? It has to be that. Drop the weight emoji, whatever. In that video. And in 5 minutes, we're going to do the giveaway here. And if we can get to 200 likes, we'll do 2 giveaways. That's going to be the deal. And in the meantime, your boy is going to get... his pipes going because, you know, unlike the majority of the people in this world, I actually have no, not in this world, but in this industry for sure. I actually have a personality. So I'm going to give you guys my personality. And if you like it, cool. If you don't, then I just work here. So it's not my fault. It's your fault. But I will say this. Before I do that, since Nick is in the chat, guys, I had an amazing idea. Okay. I had an amazing idea. How is my trading style compared to Jason? I learned a lot from Jason. I look up to Jason. But I've kind of deviated from the way that he trades. I do a more smart money approach. I got vector candles going on. Yeah, like I'm a Tino and JC hybrid essentially. But because I'm on a treadmill and have a cross, apparently I'm a copy of Jay. But hey, there are worse people to be copies of. At least I don't copy, what's that one guy's name? Lil Uzi Vert, and like do drugs and like there are worse people to look up to. Let's just say that. Anyways, listen, Nick, I don't know if you're still here, bro, but I thought of this idea. First of all, guys, go follow me on X because I what's it called? Yeah, bro, I do have a discount code for Market Cipher. Go follow me on X because I do tweet some interesting things, but more importantly than that, I had the amazing idea today. Okay, I had an amazing idea today. Hold on. Let me just press play here. I had an amazing idea today. Nick, if you're still here, I'm talking to you, bro. I have an idea that I want to go on vacation with all of the Market Cipher people because you guys know, man. Look, I have a big personality, okay, and everybody on crypto is like a cartoon account and whatever cartoon account and whatever, okay. And so, bro, which video you got to comment on? You got to comment on the one that I linked, brother. Come on, brother. This one, guys, go to this one. Okay, so I have an idea. Yeah, dude, that's what I'm saying. Yo, listen, that's what I was saying, bro. Listen, I don't know if you saw. I tweeted it. I literally tweeted it. I'm going to Mexico. I'm going to Cancun in June. I'm booking it today, and this is my official invitation. Dude, that's crazy that you said. This is my official invitation to all of the Market Cipher people, okay? Whether we've talked or not. So that's you, that's CryptoFace, that's Jason, that's Frankie Candles, that's Randy Hipper, that's Alex O'Crypto. Everybody and anybody and everybody is invited to, this is my official invitation. Cancun in June. I'd be the MC of MC. Cancun in June. The whole reason I'm like, yo, because people in crypto are so weird and they have no personalities, and why can't we hang out and like get to know our colleagues? So Cancun in June, open invite to my Market Cipher people. You heard it here first. If you're watching this and you're one of the Market Cipher people, and I didn't mention you, I apologize, but you're invited also. Cancun in June. I'm gonna send you the details, but before we do that, we gotta do the giveaway, man. I see your tweets, you're locked in. Don't miss the shit going on there. Man, bro, when you called me a goblin, like, that was sick. That was the best thing. All right, listen. We're gonna do this giveaway. I don't really rap. I got a couple of, like, I don't really rap. Anyways, listen, look what we're gonna do, man. You already know how it goes. You already know how it goes right now. Come on now. Can you guys hear me well? This is probably loud AF. But we're gonna hit this. How do we sound? Y'all hear me? Almost every night when that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody be able to hear me. You guys should be able to hear me right now. Echoing and all. Echoing and all. All right, let's go, man. Come on, everybody, go to the link that I posted. Make sure you like it. Make sure you drop a comment so that you guys can win here. In the meantime, you gotta deal with my voice. Sorry, not sorry, but, it is what it is, guys. It's Tuesday, and we're vertical to the ground, and we gotta stay blessed right now. So God bless everybody. Let's go. We get it almost every night when that moon is big and bright. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark, they don't bite. Y'all can't hear it? Everybody's dancing. All right, is it better now? Dancing in the moonlight. God said, thank you, bro. I appreciate you. And natural side, everybody's dancing. Yo, I'm gonna take it even further and say, if you haven't fallen in love or you're not in love right now, I hope you guys find love this year. Look at that, man. Come on now. Yo, the whole MC team, bro, on vacation. We like our fun, but never fight. You can't dance, stay uptight. It's a supernatural Dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. Such a... Come on, baby. Oh, did he? Did he play that? I really love you, baby. Should we do The Rock? Let's go Love Gun karaoke. Guys, I apologize to your ears. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button. All right, how many comments we got with this emoji? Let's see. I really love you, baby. All right, we got it. We got it going. All right, let's do the giveaway here. How many likes do we have? Are we doing one giveaway or two giveaways? This is why, by the way, I lose my voice every single day of my life. All right, we're 13 likes away from another giveaway, so maybe we'll do two by the time this is done. All right, let's get the music going. We gotta get the music back on, lads. You know what I mean, lad? You're a fucking crab, lad. You know what I mean? You're a fucking crab. Dude, I just work here, guys. Honestly, I just work here. All right, man. All right, guys. The winner of the giveaway is... Say. Congratulations, bro. You are the winner of the boot camp. So here's what I need you to do, my friend. I need you to head over to the video that you had to like. Make sure the like button is clicked. Click on the top right on your little thing here. Take a screenshot of this. Head over to the Discord. Open up a ticket and let us know which one of the 4 boot camps that you are interested in. Just a reminder, we got market structure, key zones and building the narrative, order blocks and liquidity, market and time frames. In my opinion, the market cipher one is my favorite. Speaking of market cipher, while I'm here, hello, hitting the like button is a free way to support me, as well as signing up to MEXC, the #1 exchange, in my opinion, cheapest on fees. And if you're a scalper like I am, and you're looking for a price to hit our target like I am, and we're in the green like I am, then, you know, you can do that. Also, market cipher, hello, the only indicator that you need, and more importantly, the only indicator that I use. 20% off discount code is Trader Geo. Link is in the description down below. If you sign up for 1 year with Market Cipher, you get 1 month free of my VIP. If you sign up for life with Market Cipher, you get 1 year free of my VIP. In the Discord, of course. And that is all of the shills that I have for you, my friends. Is it time to say goodbye, or do we have one more? We got 2 more likes for another giveaway, man. 2 more likes for another giveaway. Just saying. The longs are longing. Just saying. All right? All right? We know the target, baby. We know the target. Shouts out to UK Mom has subbed and liked. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Everybody that's here for the very first time. Shouts out to Turnos. Everybody that's here for the first time, welcome, man. My name is Gio. I'm 5'2" 3/4. Go shorty. I think we already played this, did we not? Go shorty. I don't even know which tab I have open. Which one of these tabs is playing my music right now? Go shorty. It's your birthday. We gonna party. All right, let's do another giveaway, man. Let's do another giveaway. Let us do another giveaway. Why not, man? Why not? Why not? Let's do another giveaway. All right, guys, one more giveaway because we did hit 200 likes. So thank you very much for that. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you. All right, let's do the giveaway, my friendos. One more. Same thing. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to hit the refresh button. We're going to check the comments. 93 comments. We got some muscular dudes in the chat. Let's go, baby. Copy this. Refresh this. Every little thing that you say or do. So come on. Gimme, gimme, gimme. All right, guys. The winner of the second and final giveaway is... Hold on. Oh, baby. Look at that. Hello. Hello. What happened? What is this? All right. The winner is... Oh, shouts out to Fake Jabril. Fake Jabril. I don't know how to say that, man. I'm very sorry. You know the drill, bro. Open up a ticket in the Discord. Let us know which one you want. You are the winner. Congratulations. I will get those boot camps over for you guys right away. Bitcoin Market Cipher is telling the tale, baby. We're long on the corn. We're long on Bitcoin. Here are the current positions. You know what? Here. Because I'm G2Ging anyways, here are the current positions. That's position 1. Little thing that you say or do, so come on. And that is position 2. Can I do this? Let's see if we can do this. Better now, better now. Ooh, 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 you're not supposed to see that. You're not supposed to see that. Nobody look. Y'all are not supposed to see that. I don't know why that happened. All good in the hood. We're pumping right now, man. Ba-da-da, ba-da-dow. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-dow. Where did my thing go? Oh, there we go. Dude, we're hitting it. We're hitting it. Hello. We're hitting it. All right. There we go. These are the current positions. On my wide screen. On my wide screen. See? 2 accounts. Man, I actually hate MEXC. Why does it do that? I don't hate MEXC. Sign up to MEXC. But anyway, whatever. Those are the positions, guys. That's all I got for you today. I will see you on the next stream. Everybody take care. Stay blessed. Stay disciplined. Most importantly, we have our target. I'll let you guys know in the Discord if we hit the target and what the next move is. And for now, that is curtains, my friends. I will see you next time.
Set my heart on fire.